In this video, we'll look at how to use the toolbar and introduce some basic tools in QGIS. The toolbar is the row of icons at the top of the screen. All the essential tools are displayed there. And you can turn each toolbar on or off by right-clicking near the toolbar area. If you can't find a tool you want to use, right-click and make sure it's checked in the list. Let's start with the most commonly used tools. First, the Save Project button in the top left corner. It saves your current layer settings, colors, and label information. If you don't save, all your settings will be lost. Since QGIS can sometimes crash unexpectedly, it's a good idea to save your work frequently. Next, the Layout Manager. This is used when you want to print your map or export it as a PDF. You can set the map title, scale, and other layout details, and later reopen your saved layouts from the Layout Manager. We'll cover layout settings in detail in another video. Now let's look at the Select Features tool. It's used to select features on the map. This is especially useful when you want to view feature information. You can also combine it with zoom to selected features to jump directly to the selected location. To clear your selection, click the Deselect Features button next to it. Next, the Open Attribute Table tool. The attribute table lists information for each feature. For example, you can see that Shibuya Ward has a population of 243,783 people. Clicking the number on the left selects that feature and highlights its location on the map. Now, the Measure Line tool. You can draw a line on the map to measure its length. Left-click to add vertices, and right-click to finish. From the drop-down menu next to the tool, you can also measure area or angle. Next, let's create a layer. There are several options, but for now we'll use the simplest one, Temporary Scratch Layer. Just set the layer name and geometry type, and a temporary layer will be created. We'll explain layer creation in more detail in another video. Now, the Toggle Editing Mode tool. When editing mode is turned on, you can add new features or modify existing ones. Use the Add Feature tool to draw features directly on the map. The arrow button lets you undo your last action. The Vertex tool allows you to reshape features by moving their vertices. Finally, let's look at the Snapping tool. If you don't see it on the toolbar, right-click and check Snapping Toolbar. When snapping is turned on, your cursor automatically aligns with existing lines or vertices. This helps prevent overlaps or gaps when adding new features. That's it for this introduction to the basic tools on the QGIS toolbar. There are many other tools available, so explore them and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching.